Now sensation के हुन्छ pain and temperature. अर्को है fine touch, fine touch, good touch, fine touch, good touch. अर्को proprioception is joint position से अर्को है vibration sense. Pain and temperature is carried by lateral spinothalamic tract. Rest of the other senses are carried by posterior column or dorsal column. So you got to check the dermatome. तिम्रो पेन हेर्नलाई चाहिँ पिनले नै हुन्छ पिन अथवा घोच्ने हो बुझ्यो हैन Or you should know the dermatome. Lateral part of the arm is C5. This lateral part of the forearm all the way up to thumb is C6. Middle finger is C7. Ring finger is C8. Forearm, the middle part is T1. Middle part of arm is T2. So you compare. घोचेको थाहा हुन्छ हैन So otherwise you'll see it and you'll say I'll feel it. बन्द गर्ने घोचे भन्नुहोस् है घोच्छ र घोच्छ भने घोचे भन्नुहोस् है C5 C6 C6 C7 C8 T1 T2 This is pain. Temperature, you need either a test tube which contains warm water, hot water, but if pancreatitis, this is what so use this. Tuning fork is understood. So, and then if it's cold, same thing. Same area. So you got to compare both sides, pain and temperature. So, fine touch गर्ने भने कटल लिने हो सेम एरियामा त्यसपछि आयो proprioception joint position sense so you do one finger यो कता यो बिचमा छ हैन यो कता तल कि माथि यो अब आँखा चिम्म गर्नुहोस् so close the eyes then कता भन्नुहोस् है माथि है तल अहिले this proprioception is good if you can appreciate here you don't need to go proximally if you cannot appreciate here go in the wrist if you cannot appreciate here go in the elbow if you can appreciate here no need to go if you can't appreciate here you don't need to go proximally that is joint position this is a vibration अब सुन्नु गर्छ त्यस्तै हो कि हेर्नुहोस् है होइन हुन्छ हुँदैन ठिक छ यता नि यता हुँदैन He's got some problem with it to check for the vibration. Similarly, if you can appreciate it, go proximally. This is what you do with sensation. So if you have a loss of sensation, what do you call? Fine touch. Loss of sensation के हुन्छ? From sensation के भन्छ? Hypoesthesia. Body sensation भयो भने hyperesthesia. Similarly pain भयो भने compound pain नै भएन भने के भन्छ? Analgesia. Less pain भयो भने hypoalgesia. More pain भयो भने hyperalgesia. Fine touch ko you are talking about anesthesia. Pain ko you are talking about algesia. So these are the things. Sometimes, suppose fine touch or pain, fine touch or pain, whatever it is. Suppose you touch here He doesn't feel fine touch whenever proprioception gone. He touch here, he doesn't feel pain, freaking pain. He doesn't feel the pain also. So laryngospasmodic tract, spinal cord, everything gone, you know. So he has got loss of sensation of everything. So what you do is you start. So if you take a अब तिमीले घोच्ने उसले घोचेको थाहा हुँदैन घोचेको थाहा हुन्छ यता थाहा हुन्छ यता यता काहीँ पनि छैन यहाँसम्म छैन यो पुरै छैन पुरै छैन ओके you compare both sides. What happens is there will be a point where you will see a place where you will see you will not feel sensation, and suddenly you will feel sensation. So this is called Atma Vargya low pattern of sensory loss. So that is classically seen in peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy will give all sensation. Peripheral nerve like it starts to transmit all the nerve, all the sensation. When all the sensations are gone, there will be a point where there will be a place where you will feel sensation. So particular stop to globe bar, just the globe stopping. That's why it's called globe and stop pattern of sensation.
यतापट्टि कुनै फिल भएन भने एउटा पोइन्ट हुन्छ जहाँ फिल हुन्छ नि